I'm an NRI husband and my wife has filed criminal and domestic violence and maintenance cases on me. Can I go back to India now at all because there'll be a lookout circular issued against me? This is a common misconception that a lot of husbands have. And yes, lookout circulars do get issued against husbands against whom cases are there, but only after substantial lapse of time, substantial summons have been sent, and then the husband is not appearing. I say that if there has been a police case or a maintenance case or a domestic violence or any of these other cases filed against you or any of your relatives while you're abroad, and you've received, and it has been, say, filed, last week, last month, and summons have been issued, or the police have called you or sent you a notice to appear through WhatsApp, email, speed post, etc., do not be worried that you land in India, you will be arrested. In a matrimonial dispute, especially, lookout circulars are not issued willy-nilly, at least in matrimonial disputes, at least in 2025, and I'm sure 2026. But now, if there has been, say, 3 or 4 or 6 months or 12 months since those cases were filed, whether you received summons or not, whether you received notice or not, doesn't matter. There you have to be a little careful. Now, unfortunately, in our country, there's no website or application to figure out whether there's a lookout circular pending against me. The best thing you can do is you can go to either the court complex, and you can figure out with the court staff over there whether the court has issued orders, anything like this, or you can go to the investigating officer, not you, your lawyer or your relative goes to the police officer, gets a confirmation that there is no lookout circular, and then you can be sure that, okay, I can come down. But as a general rule of thumb, if there's any case filed against you, at the earliest, report. And obviously, I mean, maintenance cases, domestic violence cases, divorce cases, a lot of these cases you don't need to show up yourself. You can appear through your advocate, no problem. Police also, 99% of the cases you will have to show up. 1% of the time we've now seeing that the police are also allowing husbands to appear virtually before them, and hopefully in the near future husbands, NRIs, will not be needed to come down to physically show their presence at all in the future. But we can only hope for those days to come as soon as possible.